What is going on, you absolute degenerates? Let's talk about the Redbox short squeeze. Wow, somehow we've managed to do it again. Last year it was GameStop, AME, Naked Stock, Bed Bath & Beyond, a bunch of other ones. Now it looks like we're going to be starting up some sort of a short squeeze again, some sort of a rally, and it's looking like there's more than one stock, just like last year. But today we're going to be talking about Redbox Entertainment. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. My name is Radies. You may have seen my older videos, like last year I was covering all those meme stocks, AMC and GameStop pretty heavily, and I saw Redbox and I'm like, okay, I know I do crypto videos now, but there's no way I'm not going to cover this because this is actually quite insane. So let's talk about what exactly is going on. Do a quick little update because I do think that Redbox has a lot of potential to fly. This could possibly do another 2x, right? At the minimum. And I want to start off by saying it's not financial advice, so take everything with a grain of salt, but I'm going to provide you guys some information, and then you guys can go and do whatever you want to do with that information, okay? So let's get right into this video. Before we do get started, I want to say if you guys want access to my private Discord and you guys want to know exactly what stocks and crypto I'm buying and selling, all you got to do is sign up for my private Discord. The link is down below. It's just $9 a month, so it's like cheaper than Chick-fil-A. So yeah, go check that out. Now, Redbox Entertainment, guys, this is insane. So it is up 39%, basically 40%, and we can see after hours as well, it did climb up. Now guys, this is a stock that has not reclaimed its all-time high yet, and this was actually a SPAC if I'm not mistaken. So it is quite interesting to see. If you take a look at the 5-day chart as well, we can see insane amounts of growth right here. So you've already doubled your money if you've been holding in the past 5 days, and it is quite, I guess, cool to see how the stock has been performing. Now I know that a lot of people have been talking about this potential short squeeze, and I don't think the squeeze has been squeezed just yet, if that makes sense. So, for the beginners, what a short squeeze basically is I know so many people have heard this, and like by now everyone knows what a short squeeze is, but just in case, basically, the hedge fund managers, right, the suits, the guys in the suits that do coke off strippers' bums in Wall Street, what they're doing is they are basically shorting the stock. So they're saying, hey, the stock isn't going to do well, we're going to short it, right? And we can go on for hours and hours talking about, is that the right thing to do? Is shorting, I guess, is that morally correct? Is it ethical? And we're not going to get into that debate in this video, but basically you're shorting the stock. And what happens in a short squeeze is people decide, hey, you know what, this stock is heavily shorted, so we're going to buy up a bunch of the shares and we're going to make the stock price go up. So if I'm shorting the stock and the stock price goes up, I'm going to try and hedge against my short position and buy more of the stock, causing basically a compound effect and just making the price skyrocket. Now, I hope that makes sense. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Now let's talk about Redbox and what exactly it is, because this is pretty similar to GameStop and AMC in the fact that it isn't really a company that is, I guess, more profitable for the long term, okay? Now, I tried to go on their website, and I don't know why, but the website just didn't work. So, I mean, that kind of sucks. But basically what they do is they have these red boxes, and they rent out DVDs. And I'm sure you guys can see why this is a problem. I want everyone to comment down below. Do you guys actually have some sort of unit or a DVD player where you can actually play a DVD? I think my PlayStation 4 probably plays DVDs, but other than that, let's be real, guys. No one uses DVDs, right? Everyone has Netflix, Disney Plus, or you're on those illegal streaming websites, so no one really uses this, okay? But let's take a look at the short interest. So this is a post on Reddit over here. I'll shout out to Reddit. And they pretty much said the short interest is 238%, which is absolutely insane because this is actually higher than GameStop, okay? Now, I believe also the cost to borrow these short shares, I believe it's also like something insane, like in the hundreds of percent, like I think like 800 or 900%, something like that, which means, guys, we can actually see an insane short squeeze, potentially bigger than GameStop. Now, will that many people catch on? That's the only thing, because right now, I checked Wall Street Bets, because we all know those guys are the GOATs. They aren't really talking about Redbox as much as I thought they would be, right? Like, we aren't seeing that crazy frenzy compared to last year with GameStop and AMC, also with Dogecoin, right? We saw a bunch of things going on. This is mainstream as hell, right? We aren't seeing that right now. That could be due to multiple things. One, there isn't really stimulus checks going out, and two, we are kind of in like a recession fear. Inflation is literally killing us, so that's probably why, but it is quite interesting to see. Now, there was another Reddit post that I saw as well, and basically it just said GameStop had a shortfall of 141%, but the market cap was much bigger at the time. Now, we got to also understand, guys, the market cap of Redbox is at, according to Yahoo Finance, only about 600 mil. And I say only because that's not that much, which means it can be much more manipulated compared to GameStop or AMC or any of these other bigger stocks, right? So we gotta, I guess, have that into consideration. And like I said, guys, I do think that this still has room to run to maybe like $25, $50, but that is assuming that retail investors hold and we continue to actually squeeze these shorts out of here, okay? Now, if that happens, we could see a nice run up. Now, another thing I want to talk about as well before we wrap up this video is this Reddit post basically goes on to say that this is a far worse short interest, but the one thing they have going for them is that they have a much smaller market cap, okay? Now, you guys should definitely go and read through this post because a lot of information. And guys, let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys think about Redbox? Do you guys think it is going to go to $25? Do you guys think it is going to pretty much die out? I do think when the market opens up again next week or when the weekend's done, I think we probably will see one more rally. But remember, guys, just like with GameStop and AMC, secure your profits, okay? Diamond handing is cool, but hey, if you can take out your initial investment and let the rest of it run risk-free, please do that. And like I said, guys, it's not investment advice. Don't just go ape into the stock because I made a video about it. Do your own research, do your own due diligence, and let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think? Because I think this is quite interesting. Like I said, guys, private Discord link down below. And until next time, remember, stay seeking success.